In Redis, to see all the configs, type config get star. With this command, you can see all Redis configs. And for a specific config, for example, log level, type config get log level. When you receive a config, it includes name of the config and value of that. And for change the config, you must use this command config set name of a config and value of the config. For example, log level double quote warning. That's okay. Config clear page. Redis log file is in Redis path. If you want to see it, config get log file. Value of that is logs slash redis underline log dot text. If you go to the Redis path, you can find log directory and Redis log file. If you want to change the Redis log file path, you must set the new path with set command. Config set log file and new path. This part of the tutorial is over. Thank you for watching this video.